How to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, click on the three line icon from the top left corner. From the menu bar, click on Avatar. So once you're here, click on this accessories option. Now go to the face accessories. So if you have multiple accessories right here and you want to add them multiple, if you select one from here and basically the other will get unselected. But in this case, if you want to add multiple face accessories, then what you have to do is you have to add an extension. So for that, click on this extension icon at the top right and click on manage extensions. Here click on Chrome Web Store and here search for BT Roblox. So click on the first one right here. Now you have to add this extension to your Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Now once the extension is added, go back to your Roblox and head towards the same page where you can get access to your accessories, and here refresh your page once. After that, go to your accessories and now go to your face accessories. Here select the accessories that you want to add. For example, I have selected one from here. Now select the other one, and in this way you can add both of your accessories, and that's how you can get multiple face accessories on Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.